The best definition of empathy I've ever heard is putting on another person's shoes, walking around in them, and experiencing the world from their perspective. Now, why am I telling you this? Because on Wednesday, September 11th, I have the honor of facilitating my Equity, Empathy, and Your Role as an Ally virtual workshop for the Harrington Agency. During this session, we'll define equity and we'll describe specific steps we can take to create more equitable environments. We'll also define allyship, describe specific ways we can serve as allies to our colleagues, and discuss the role empathy plays in creating psychological safety. So join me on September 11th when we will have a great conversation about equity, empathy, and your role as an ally.